Hey there, welcome back. We got a special episode aboard the Carnival Pride, an interior cabin tour of cabin 1170, a double Pullman perfect for families. So here's our tour of an interior cabin with two Pullmans. Lily's up in the one, and so um, that's about it.
The table.
Got the bed, some of our towel animals over there, and we have 3 drawers on each side. There is no outlets. There is 2 lights on each side. Lily's got a light up top there, so
I have a light.
we got lights around here. Over here we have a little table, and in there's our little refrigerator. All right, and Sam's over here. She's just opening up
I was pointing out the
all
mirror.
the doors. This one has a nice mirror on it. All those shelves do go up. There's little locks. And it's got 2 hanging bars in this one. This one back here is a ton of hangers and some life jackets. So, go. And our bathroom, typical Carnival bathroom. Nice old school curtain shower. Plenty of room for a fat guy like me. And we got our toilet and our lovely sink. And that's that. So we come back into the main part here.
There's a TV over there.
And we've got the TV, remote, some drawers, remote. We've got a 110 over here, and that's about it. So,
Trash can.
all right. That's room 1170 on the Carnival Pride, or an interior double Pullman on a Spirit class ship. So,